them on a hook so it won't fall off and they won't be able to just easily get it. But leaving the tail so it can bob in the water.
Okay.
That's it. So tighten that so your reel, so here, this you, bro, here. Like, I want to say, dang near 6 foot, man.
In that mode.
My wife's line now. Ain't nothing biting on here.
No.
Just trying to eat it up. Nope, ain't nothing on here. She put a fish on hers. We caught a fish and chopped that Mickey up.
Really?
Yep. Yeah, I should have left it out there, truthfully.
All right, James, I'm gonna need you.
What's up? All right.
So, you're right. So with this going this way, with this being down, reel it in?
So, yeah, hold on.
Because it was reeling, but I'm trying to make sure is it up or down?
So now you're able to reel it in because it's up, because it's down.
Okay.
Slow down because you got the weeds.
It'll just stay like this? Got you.
And then as that makes you get ready to let it go. When you get up here with your arm, like when you get like right here with your arm, just let go of your finger. Let that line go. This is what's holding the line right now. If you let that go, the line gonna go. 5 seconds, you know what I mean? That's what holds the line. As soon as you let that build up, the line is now free. This is what's holding the line.
I gotta make sure this is in it.
Yep. To let it go. Yep. Bail down as soon as it hit the water. No. Put it back. Yep. Like.
Keep it up?
No. Like.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Reel it in.
Okay. And this how you reel it in when it's down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hold on. Oh. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be like, oh, but I swear I thought something was on it.
Maybe. You'll feel it.
Whew.
Alright, try it again. Wait, nope, trigger. Bail up. Let that joint loose, finger go.
Is the worm like in the hoop or it fell off?
Okay, no. It's actually okay. Let your trigger go.
A little bit left. I swear they ate some of that.
Bail up. Pass that Mickey. Let your finger go. Bail down. When it hit the water.
Thank you.
This normally is a little fish populated.
Okay.
It's big fish out here, they're just not biting right now.
Okay.
Literally, it's big fish.
Is there a time of the day they want to bite?
Hey bro, what is the biggest fish that you ever caught here? Told you?
Heard you. You right. Heard you.
Jealousy? I ain't never catch something that big. Jealousy, bro. Look at the word jealousy. It is my face right now.